Today I'm going to show you the process of making a 5x7 print. You're going to take your negative carrier and feed the negative through. Make sure the image is shiny side up and upside down. When you place it back into the carrier, make sure that you lift the enlarger head carefully. And then you're going to switch out your glass for the 5x7 easel. When you turn your enlarger light on, make sure that it's set to the brightest aperture, the widest opening, so you can really see the image. And then consider the placement of the easel if you want to crop any part of the image out or leave the entire image showing. Then you're going to focus the image, and as you focus, the size might change and the cropping might change that you fixed on your easel. So you may need to go back and forth by moving the enlarger head up or down and then going back to focusing. Take your time with that. When you're ready and all set, put your aperture back to f11, second from the dimmest. Set your timer for 25 seconds. And then go ahead and make your test strip, moving the board every 5 seconds from 25 to 5. Take your test strip, you're going to process the paper, and then carry it out into the white light so you can check it out. So it seems that the 5 seconds is maybe a little too light, and 25, 20, 15, even 10 may be too dark. So somewhere between 5 and 10 seconds for my next test strip. So I'm going to set my timer for 7 and 9 seconds. I'm going to process the paper, and then I'm going to take a look at that. So half of my test strip was done at 9 seconds, the darker part, and the lighter part is the 7 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead with 7 seconds, just because I think it shows a little bit more detail in the background. Now I'm running my full 5x7 sheet, all at one time, all at 7 seconds. I'm going to process the paper, and then take a look at my print. You may always do more test strips. I ended up doing 2 for this print, but minimum 2 test strips each time you make a 5x7. And there we have it.